What's going on? Are you alright?
I'm pinned down in here. It doesn't look good.
No. Damn it, the door's blocked. Just hold on. I'm going to get you out of there. Damn it. The track's blocked. If I could get up there somehow, I might be able to clear it.
Dragging you into this mess. I don't know what I was thinking. Coming out here. I could be the star of my own goddamn act. It always work out like that, huh?
Okay, got it.
Great.
Alex! Oh God, I've got to get in there. Alex! I'll have you out of there soon. All right, now to clear the way.